2001 Toyota Sequoia back door latch. This is me. Welcome to my channel one more time. Please like, subscribe, and share. And check this video. Hopefully, be a help for a lot of people who got one of these 2001 Toyota Sequoia. 2001 Toyota Sequoia. Fix the rear latch in the back like twice. Now trying to fix it one more time, but this time I'm going to fix it. I tried the metal latch, I tried plastic latch, they all keep broke. So this one I'm going to do something a little different. Okay, I already take off the back plastic part at the back of the door, the truck. Now I'm going to take off that other part right here where they mount that computer thing like for the door, and I'm going to take those off, check it out, and get to that latch. But this time I'm not replacing the latch. I'm going to do something a little bit different. I'm going to put that cable outside, drill a little hole, put the cable outside behind the plate so I can access it, because it usually stops working most of the time. Like whenever I go somewhere and need to open the back, like go to Lowe's, Home Depot, and I need to put something in the back, and that's the time it's most 80% of the time it stopped working. So I'm going to do something that I don't have to worry about it no more. Okay, so next step, taking it off. What's up? Trying to fix that back latch. Third time. So we're gonna remove all these screws. It's gonna be like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 screws. Alrighty. Now we remove that thing. I'm not going to do no disconnection. Now the cable is right back here. So we can remove these 4 nuts right here and get to the cable, but if it's loose and it's right back here, I think I'm just gonna take it off. Yeah, I can see where it came off right there. See, right. Try to get the camera in there so you can see what I'm talking about. Like right up there, that's the cable loose. So we can get to that cable up there. Take it. So right up there where that cable at, see, it's loose up there. Came loose. See right there, came loose. Right in that latch can break off. So when you try to open it, it's not opening up. So what we're gonna do, we got a couple options what we're gonna do. We're gonna take it off from up there, right up there, and we're gonna drill a hole right back here where the plate at. Put the cable through, hang it out behind the plate, and we just gonna manually pull it when we need it. Can't go through this no more. Too much. So now what we're gonna do, got a drill right here. We're gonna drill a hole, put the cable through, and we should be good to go from there. So drilling my hole. Boom. Now got that hole. Now we can go around inside and put the cable through. So, see the hole right there? So we're gonna put the cable through there. Very simply, gonna take me like 30 minutes or less to get this thing going. Alright, now we got this through there. Now we got the cable out right there. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna put the plate on, cable right there, and we're gonna get it going. Hello. Now I'm putting back my plates on. Cable right on there. Now we're gonna check it out. We're gonna need 2 hands now, so pull him down and lift. It's kind of hard to do with both hands, so I can put it down, then you see. Booyaka. And that's how we fix it. Door. And that's how it's been done. So now we're gonna screw everything back up, and that'll be it. So watch me get it going, screwing it up. So we can get it screwed up. Hello. Oh, I have to switch it. I have to do it a different way this time. Come on, stuff. We're gonna screw it up.
What is that, salt?
So let's screw him up back. I ready to get it up. Start screwing up some more. Put everything in with my hands first. And I'll tighten them up. Now we got everything back up. So all we're gonna do now is to put back everything and we good to go. that back up. Now we're gonna put it back the corners, which goes up here. So right up here. So and then first. And the next side. Corners first, this side first, side of the hand. Then it is all finito. It is finished. Now let's check it out. Make sure everything works. So okay, check them out. Close. It's right there, close. Can't open without the latch, with the latch. Got my string right here. See? Now we're gonna show you now. Pull, lift. And that take me about 20 minutes, 15-20 minutes. And that be a simple fix. Never gotta buy another latch. And you'll be good to go, cause it always chooses to broke when you really need it. So 2001 Toyota Sequoia back door latch.